Hey future experts, welcome back to Engineering Pritam. In today's video, we will master the palette tool inside PTC Creo Parametric. I would say it is a must-have tool for any designer. This video is a part of PTC Creo complete course series where we are covering PTC Creo Parametric from 0 to advanced level. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so here you can see I already have opened PTC Creo Parametric software. Now let me click here on new and then I'm gonna select part, and then here I'm gonna keep everything as it is. If you want to know how you can set up default template, then check out our previous video on the same playlist. Now let me actually go to view and enable plane tag display so that we can choose the correct plane. Now let me go back to model tab, and now let's click here on sketch. Now let's select the front plane and click on sketch again. And now here we can see in insert group there is a tool known as palette. So palette is something like, imagine being able to simply drag and drop predefined shapes, for example 4-side square here, and then which kind of give you head start not only the polygons, but here you can also see profile, shapes and star. All just you need to do is you need to simply click on it and then hold your mouse left button, and then you simply need to drag it. And then here you will find more customization, for example angle at which you want to rotate this, and then the scale factor is also there. So with the help of Home you can always modify and customize your shape. So let me quickly show you by rotating it at certain angle. For that, simply hover your mouse over this tool and then use your left button to rotate your shape. Now here similarly we can also scale this model up and down. Now hit OK. So in this way guys, we can easily add polygons, profile, shapes and star in our PTC Creo Parametric environment. Now since these are perfect region, you will also have opportunity to convert them to 3D. This will really help you to boost your productivity if you are looking for polygons, star or these kind of predefined shapes. What I would suggest you to try it by yourself, and whenever you feel you need to draw these kind of shapes, make your habit to use palette, as it's going to significantly reduce your time in creating these kind of shapes. That's all guys from my side in this video. I hope you find this video helpful and informational. If yes, then hit like and subscribe to Engineering with Pritam to see more such video, and I will see you soon with more such productivity videos. Till then, you take care and bye bye.